Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hi, my name is Alyssa, and for today's video, I am back again with another monthly product empties, where I just share with you guys what products I finished up this past month and whether or not I would repurchase these items. So without further ado, if you are interested, then let's just go ahead and get started. Okay guys, so before we jump into it, I just want to quickly point out that I have started incorporating my fall decor here on my channel. Today is dang near fall time for me. I'm filming this video on the 31st of August, and by the time you see it, we'll be hitting September, and it is now all things fall for me. I'm not even concerned about it anymore. So I've got the fall tones going here, still a little summer appropriate, but like this lip, I forgot how much I love this, you guys. This is Dose of Colors Brick, and I'm just like, I put it on and I was like, yes queen, we're fall vibing. So I'm so excited. And I did just also want to share with you guys two things that I picked up at Marshall's about a week or so ago, maybe a little bit more, but I have been wanting to share them with you guys and I didn't know when or how, so I figured me putting up my Halloween slash fall decor, I could show you guys now. So the first thing that I picked up that I really just wanted you guys to see were these adorable little hand towels. They're gray towels with little ghosts on them, and they say like spooky and boo and haunt, and aren't these just like the cutest things you've literally ever seen? I am like, these are the most adorable hand towels ever. I freaking love them. And they did only retail for $7, you guys. $7 for two hand towels. That is not bad at all. So I picked those up. I was super excited. But the thing I am the most excited to show you guys, and this was a find for me, you guys, a find, is this stemless wine glass set right here. I hope it is picking it up good, but I walked by this and this was the only one on the shelf, and as you guys can see, it is my Disney villains, all my ladies, and I love the artwork. I love the colors, has their names on the back, and this was only $13 for this set. This is a true like licensed Disney item, and like I said, it was literally the only one on the shelf, and I was like, I don't even drink wine that much, and it's not like I have any place for wine glasses here, but I cannot pass this up. Like, I needed it, and oh my god, you guys, I'm freaking obsessed. So anyways, you guys, I just want to show you those two items. I picked up other things, but they're not nearly as exciting or nearly as cute. And some things I can't share because they're for other people later on in the year. So I got to keep that on the hush hush. But yeah, you guys, I'm so freaking excited for those things. And I just want to share them with you. But now we're going to jump into the freaking empties. So a couple of things from Bath & Body Works. As always, we've got two foaming hand soaps here. You guys know the gist with me and the foaming hand soaps. Freaking love the foaming hand soaps. This one right here was the fresh lemonade that we used in the kitchen. The notes on this one were lemon juice, lime twist, and sugar crystals. I thought it smelled really good, especially for using it in a kitchen. It's very much the kind of thing my mom likes to do, so I'm pretty sure we would purchase this again, as it did smell really nice. We also finished up this raspberry tangerine one as well, and this was wild raspberries, fresh tangerine, and lemon zest. And while this was not a personal favorite of mine that I've ever smelled, my mom and my dad really seemed to enjoy it, so I'm sure they would pick it up again for like their bathroom or things like that. But it was really solid. Like, it wasn't as bad as I thought it was as you used it versus in the container, but it's just not a personal favorite of me. I also finished up this little mini Saltwater Breeze shower gel. The notes on this one are fresh linen, violet leaves, water blossom, and white musk. I love Bath & Body Works shower gels, and I love them primarily like this for traveling, using them in these little containers because they're so easy to travel with. A little goes a long way, so they last for freaking ever. Saltwater Breeze is one of my favorite summertime scents. If you've been with me for a while, you know this, and so I would continue to repurchase not only the shower gel, but this scent as well. I really enjoy it, and I was excited that I finished it using up right as summer was coming to an end. Nothing super exciting about this, but I did just finish up a big old Colgate Total Toothpaste. I've been using this for a long time, and well, it cleans my teeth and my breath is fresh, so it does what it needs to do. And you know, I be getting this stuff at Sam's in a big pack, so y'all, I'ma keep buying it. So I did get this at Marshall's as well. I spent $5 on this, and this is the Coppertone Glow, but in the Hydrogel. It's SPF 50. If you guys have never heard me talk about the Coppertone Glow sunscreen in general, I absolutely freaking love that stuff, you guys. It is literally my favorite sunscreen, hands down. I discovered it on a cruise a couple years ago by some really nice girls that me and my friend were sitting next to, and it just looks so gorgeous and so shimmery on the skin. But you guys, this right here, this Hydrogel is trash. The first like time and a half I used it, I absolutely loved it. I was like, oh my god, this sinks into the skin so nice and so quick. And it feels super lightweight, and I was like, oh, this is absolutely fabulous. It does have the same kind of shimmer in it like the original Coppertone Glow. So this stuff literally started peeling up on my skin in the worst way that I have literally ever seen. It didn't matter how much or how little of it I used, like, and it wasn't even in like places where my skin rubbed. So like the first time I noticed it was like in between my thighs, and well, mama's got big thighs, honey, and so my thighs rubbed together, and I was like, okay, well maybe it's just because, you know, like chafing, and it's just kind of rubbing together and balling up. But nay, I could literally rub it on my arms and then like it would just start balling up at some point. I didn't have any skincare or lotion on my skin, no other skincare product. It was the craziest thing I'd ever just like seen, and it felt so disgusting. It was like the grossest thing I had ever felt, and I actually took a picture of it to show you guys, and I would insert it, but you know what, I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna show you a picture of my skin and hope that you're gonna be able to see what I'm talking about there. Can you see all the little like roll up balls on my skin? It was the grossest thing, and that's literally my forearm, you guys. So I literally could not tell you why it was doing that, but it was literally so disgusting. I just I couldn't wait to get through using it because I just hated the way it felt. So I would definitely not recommend the Hydrogel to anyone. I think it was absolutely terrible, and I checked, it was not an expired product. Like the expiration date was at the very end of the year, all sorts of stuff. Like I have no idea, and so that is terrible. The original one, however, the Coppertone Glow, I totally would recommend to anybody that wants a little shimmer on their skin out in the sun. It's absolutely gorgeous on the skin, you guys. So I did finish up another one of my big Purity Made simple one-step facial cleansers. This is the 32 fluid ounces. I get this off the Philosophy website. I love this stuff, you guys. I've been using it forever and ever and ever. I use it to wash my face. I use it to wash my brushes. I love it, and I think the big jars like this are the best bang for your buck because I use it to like fill up my little one that I take in the shower or the little one that I travel with, and it just makes it so easy. I will continue to repurchase this. I don't know when or if something will ever top that cleanser for me. It just works so well with my skin, and no matter what products I integrate into my skincare routine as things change, or you know, companies stop making stuff and you have to kind of pick a different product, that always works well with everything that I've used thus far. So I am super pleased with that. I did also finish up a package of these Peach Slices Acne Spot Dots. There were 30 different patches in 3 different sizes in here, and I love these things, you guys. I think these are so great. You can get them at the drugstores, like a CVS or Walgreens, and then as well as like Ulta. I find these to be very effective. They do go on sale every now and then, so that's kind of when I try and stock up on this one, because I do think, especially at like the drugstores themselves, that these can be a little overpriced. But I think they work so great. They're so gentle on the skin. I am very pleased with these, and I would continue to repurchase these over numerous different ones that I have tried. I finished up another one of my Nature Republic. I think it's the Super Watery Essence. I don't know. I should know its name by heart, but I am terrible. I have used numerous bottles of this, you guys. It is absolutely phenomenal. For those of you who do not know what an essence is, essentially it is a product that you put on your skin after your toner but before any of your other skincare products, and it helps all the other skincare products that you put on after it penetrate even deeper into the skin and just work to their fullest effect. And I love this stuff so much. I find it to be very reasonably priced. I get it off the Nature Republic website. I've even gotten some off of Amazon, and I'm currently using that one too. Sometimes I'm a little suspicious, but it seems to be working out really well for me. And the last thing that I have to show you guys, it was a pretty quick one today, is this Skin & Co. This is the Truffle Therapy Polishing Micro Exfoliating Truffle Gommage, Face Gommage. I cut the thing like right in half, and you guys, I didn't think ahead for this when I was gonna have to try and like figure out the name. But this is what it looks like all cut up and ready to roll. I got this in a boxing charm quite a long time ago. I actually really like it. I'm very careful to exfoliate my face because I obviously don't want to use anything that's going to cause further little like issues with like breakouts or things like that. But I actually really enjoy this exfoliator. It's very, very gentle. The beads are very, very light. I don't find that they irritate my skin. It does have kind of a strange smell to it that takes some getting used to. I'm not gonna lie, I mentioned that in my BoxyCharm video the first time I ever tried this out, but it is very nice once you get used to it, and I obviously have. It works really well and it's not bad, and it actually kind of smells kind of good to me because it's familiar at this point. So with this product, I've actually already repurchased one and I've had it for a while waiting for this one to run out because, again, like I said, I'm very particular about the exfoliants I use on my face because they can be so irritating if you get a bad one. But I really like this one. I'm excited to dump into my second one. Right now I'm using a Kate Somerville one that I wanted to try out, but yeah, like I said, I've already bought one, so I'm not ruling it out that I wouldn't buy it in the future, and it's something I do suggest that you try out because I do think it's of really good quality. But anyways, you guys, that is actually it. That is all for this month's product empties. Nothing too crazy. Your girl's been slowing it up lately. Work's really been taking it out of me, if I do say so myself. But I really hope that you enjoyed watching. As always, let me know your thoughts and opinions on anything that I chatted about down below. Let me know some things that you've been finishing up that maybe I need to check out. Thank you so much for being here with me today. I really do hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Get ready and start getting prepared, you guys, because Halloween videos are starting to come about. I've been trying to put on all the final planning stages and really finalize the list of looks that I'm going to do. I'm hoping to do 4 solid looks this year, and maybe a couple extra sprinkled in there just depending on how my filming schedule goes. So if you have any last minute requests or ideas that you want to see from me, now is the time to let me know, because I really want you guys to see what you want to see. I don't just want to give you just random stuff if I can help it. So yeah, I really hope that you guys are excited about that. Let me know down below, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!